Have you ever asked yourself, how can I make money without going to school, starting a business, or working that hard? Is there an answer for that question? Can I get a drum roll? And the answer is sales. So keep watching until the very end. And if you do, hit the like button.
Wahaj in the wall, baby!
And my first experience when I first saw a salesperson was when I was working at the Bay in the linens department, and I saw my coworker who was on the floor with me selling mattresses. And this guy was making like $60,000, $70,000 a year selling mattresses. All he was doing is the exact same thing I was doing in my retail sales, selling bed sheets. This guy was selling beds. And when I saw that, I'm like, hey, do I need any prior experience? Do I have to go to school for this? He told me, no, Wahaj, you don't have to go to school. I just got the job, and I've been doing this for the past 10 years as a mattress salesman. That was my first experience, and I was like, wow, if I can get an entry-level sales job and make a minimum of $40,000 to $60,000 a year, I'm pretty much set. Most sales positions are going to be entry level. This means that you don't need any prior education or experience to get your first sales job. Now, most entry level positions have a hybrid pay structure. So for the company, this becomes very cost efficient because they're paying you minimum hourly, and all the rest that they pay you on top of that is based on the results that you get for that company. Obviously, if you're making sales, you're generating revenue, and by doing so, you are making the company profitable, which makes your commissions payable. Pretty much like how you sift through a river of dirt and mud, and you sift it out until you find the pieces of gold. They'll keep picking it up and sifting it out until there's a bunch of gold nuggets. In that metaphor, the golden nuggets refer to the salesperson. Number two reason that I think sales is something that you should go into is that a sales job is results based. And just a little quick story, when I was working at Shaw, I was like 21 years old, working 4 days a week, not even full-time. I was working semi part-time. And that 1 month, I made $5,000 at the age of 21. That was just a huge rush of dopamine for me, and I worked hard. When it's results based, you are more motivated, you're more drawn to the work, and it's more fun, man. When you shoot that 3-pointer and it goes swish, that's the reward you get, right? You get the fans cheering, and when you close that sale, you're on the scoreboard. Now, if you have a job that is not results based, that incentive is gone. And with a sales job, you get the results of your labor within a week, instantly on a phone call. Within 2 weeks, you see your commission check, and you're like, bing, cha-ching, right? It makes you push even harder, and you get paid based on the results that you get. Reason number three why you should go into a sales career is if you are the type of person that is people orientated. If you feel like talking to people doesn't feel like work, then imagine a job where all you have to do is talk to people, right? That's literally one of the dream jobs is, hey, I talk to people and I make money for myself and I make the other person happy. That's what I do for a living. If you didn't know what sales was and someone told you, yeah, I just talk to people and I make money, you would be like, what the hell is that? So if you're someone who is people orientated, then sales can be a career where your natural skills, your natural personality can develop and take your sales game to that next level. And now my final point I want you guys to really take away. Number 4 is that learning the skill set of sales, of communication, it will lead you to so many different opportunities later down the road. I think sales is a skill set that every single person should learn, even if it's not a natural tendency for you. If you're gonna be a high achiever, if you want to start a business, if you really wanna live a lifestyle where you have control over your time and you have control over your income, then learning that skill will be imperative, especially in the current economy that we're living in, where it's a gig economy, where everyone is becoming an influencer, everyone's starting their own business. If you are then becoming your own business and you are the brand and face of your brand, if you can sell yourself, if you can present yourself in the best way possible, better than anyone else, that skill set is a sales skill set, right? And that skill set will help you succeed in every other industry. Making money, the flow of money comes from person to person. Look at every single business owner that you know. Most of them have a very strong sales skill set. Most of them are able to communicate with their partners, with their employees, with investors very well. And that comes from learning sales. But sales is literally just communication. It's just the ability to talk, influence, persuade, hear, and listen people. That's pretty much what sales is. If this video was insightful, hit the like button. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.